Hi, and welcome back to our channel. So, you can't see, we're under snow apocalypse right now. Axel, this way. Axel, this way. Come on. Usually don't use a retractable leash, but because I know he has to poop. I know what you want. Axel, we go this way. No, I'm gonna go. Bye-bye. So, yeah, it's snowing right now. We're supposed to get about 6 to 10 inches. So, I don't think we're going to do our family photos tomorrow. Axel, you like the snow? Whatever, Mom. So, we got a tree skirt. We're all set. Alright, sorry about that abrupt stop. Just slipped and fell because right underneath the snow is ice. So, obviously we live on top of a hill. So yeah, that was fun. Poor Axel like sat down like, you okay? So I don't know, but vlogging right now, but yeah, we got our, whoa, don't pull me, you can't pull like that. This is where the retractable leash comes in handy. So, yeah, we got our tree skirt. We still have to decorate the tree, but I'm in the middle of finals week, so I know YouTube's new algorithm wants you to post every day, and where is that smoke coming from? That was weird. You can see the snow. So they want us to post every day. I've been on YouTube since June. I think my ad rev, at one point I think my AdSense was at 11, and now it's down to like $6 total for the 100 and some odd videos I've done. So yeah, sorry, but I gotta keep my full-time job and do good in school. But yeah, so going for a walk, get ready for this blizzard, and we'll catch up with you guys in just a while. Well, second fall of the night. Yeah, you guys can see how there's not like any cars. Like, you can see some cars over there, but like, this is desolate. This is what a snowstorm looks like if you've never been in one before. All right, buddy, where are you taking me? Okay, we're not, I don't know where he's taking me. I think even the Target. Let's go walk by Target. Yeah, that's how close I lived. I can walk to Target from my house. Come on, Axel. Come on, buddy. Come on. He grew out of his own old winter coat, so we have to have a new one made. So that's fun. But yeah, it's coming out pretty steadily. It's been snowing for like 2 hours. It's 8 o'clock at night now. You wanna go to Target, Axel? He always tries to go inside. It's hilarious. He's like, yeah, I'll go to Target. I love Target. No woods that we live nearby. Supposed to do our photo tomorrow. I don't know if I said that or not. Our family photo, and yeah, I don't think that's gonna happen. I don't know why. Alright, dude. It's like, he's like, that's a hill, we must go down it. So our Target is open till midnight. You can see it. Axel. So my husband was here earlier. No. So my husband was over here earlier and he said it was like packed. Now look at it. Empty. What are you doing? You can't go to Target, you know that. You get kicked out. It's really pretty though, even though it's next to Target. My husky turned 15 this year. I'm like, all I want for him to have is a white Christmas. Yeah, I think we got that for him. So, all right, my fingers are freezing. I'm gonna turn this off. Like I said in my last video, I just wanted to show you guys how desolate it is right now at 8 o'clock on a Saturday night. Yeah, we'll check back with you guys in just a little bit. Come on, Axe, you ready? So we walk around for about a half hour, and we end up at the dog park, of course. What are you doing? Just enjoying the snow. I'm just concerned. My ankle is trashed. I was on the way to healing it when I had my Achilles ankle injury, and it's so icy out here because it rained earlier that I was walking on a curb and my ankle slipped. And where's he at? Axel! Axel, come here! Come here! He doesn't listen. Axel! He's like, I do what I want. Come here! Is he pooping again? Oh, God. What are you doing? What are you doing? Whatever that is, please don't do that. Axel, I think you have a problem. Crazy. You want Tanner Fried to come? I don't know if that's a yes or no. The green eyes are spooking me out, dog. You want to go home now? You want to go home? Oh, jeez. This is what this vlog's gonna be all. It's just you acting like crazy. They're just people walking, Axel. Come. Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing? Alright, I'm gonna take him in. It is cold. I gotta take Tanner out still. See how he enjoys this much snow. I'm gonna put a coat on Tanner though, because he's very short coated. So, alright, Axel. Your camera time is up, dude. He's like, okay, bye. Alright, well, so many times you can just drop a camera in the snow before it just stops working. But back home now, my husband actually got concerned and came out to find us, and he brought Tanner out. So Tanner already went outside. Yeah. He's like, can you please stop doing that? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. Who's a good boy? You good boy? You good boy? You paw? You paw? Look at me like I'm crazy. Should I do a mukbang video of Axel? You know, we only went for... How long were we gone for? 45 minutes? 45 minutes. Alright, anyway, so let me show you guys real fast. So we got the tree skirt, and of course I just vacuumed before I put the skirt down, and yeah. So I don't know, this tree doesn't look that good, so I'm gonna have to trim a lot of it, I think. So we're gonna hopefully put that stuff on, I don't know, soon. Also, look how bare it is. I'm not like how bare my tree is right there. I agree to this tree. I don't like it. I'm gonna have to get garland. to fill up that naked part. But then we got Tanner stocking, and then we got Axel stocking. So yeah. What are you doing, Tanner friend? What are you doing, Tanner friend? Wanna play with that guy? Hey, Tanner. Oh, hi. Hi, Axel. We're playing. Go get it. I got my toy. Wanna play your snowball? Your snowball. No, this is Axel. No. Here. No, your 10th ball squeak. Is it? This is my life right now. Is that what you want? No? Okay. It's not really good at good camera angle, mister. Hey. Okay. Move it or lose it, bud. Hopefully nobody has any... Hey, Tanner! Don't pee on that tree, please. Please. Don't do it. Okay. Alright, you want this? Tanny. He got a bath today. We bought some present online. So, we got my brother-in-law and sister-in-law tickets to a play for a date night. And then we got our nephew, the Paw Patroller, and then 3 of the figures with their cars. So, yeah. And then I got my boss's boyfriend a personalized barbecue tray. We still have a few more gifts to get. Yeah. So Tana's, and are you a Christmas tree? Tana, are you a Christmas tree? You're like, no. What's this? They're my new pillows. Those are new pillows. Alright. Get more toys. Put most of the toys away, but what are you doing, Tana Fun? I think we're just gonna hunker down for the night. Yeah? Here. You love this guy. Ow, that was my hand. I know you didn't do it on purpose. My hand was in the way. It's a very small toy. It's a little... it's from Snoopy. It's the bird. But it's in a witch's costume. So, alright. Do you want to say goodbye to your peoples? Okay. You're being crazy. Okay. Can we not ruin a $100 blanket? Oh, where'd the ball go? Where'd the ball go? Okay. Now let's remove it from there. Good boy. Okay, let's not play with it right. I swear. A dog. What are you doing? Can we not play in the corner? He doesn't listen. He doesn't listen. Do ya? Do ya, buddy? Alright. Well, we never made it back outside. You can tell little Mister's sleeping now. So, Tana's in the other room sleeping. So, yeah. We're going to go ahead and end it here. We've got about 4 inches on the ground now. Around midnight. So, okay, I'm ready for the blizzard. Thank you all so much for watching. Go ahead and give us a like or leave us a comment. Whatever you like. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have a great day. And if you're in a blizzard or snow conditions we're in, just please be careful. Alright? Take care.